Here is a diagram showing the number of cars produced in a year. This is done so pictographically, with a little graphic of a car representing a certain number of cars that have been produced by each respective country. It's also given here that the USA produced 4 million cars. Okay, our question here asks, how many cars did France produce? So, looking into this, it sees that France produced 3.5 little cars worth of cars. But how much is each car worth? To find that out, we need to use this information here, that the USA produced 4 million cars. Let's count up at first how many cars the USA produced. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. Now, if we know that 8 little cars on our graph, 8 little pictures of cars, is equal to 4 million, how much is one car worth? Okay, we should divide 4 million by 8, and then we'll get to 1. So if you have a 1 here, going to here is like a division by 8. And we should divide by 8 in this number as well to find out what our answer should be. So 4 million divided by 8 is, well, divided by 4 million would just be 1 million, and then divided by 8 is half of that again. So the answer here is 500,000, or 500,000. So, now that we know that one car represents 500,000 cars, we should look at France. Since France made 3.5 cars worth, we know they made 3.5 times 500,000 cars. Well, let's do 3.5 times 500,000. First, we can split it up into 3 times 500,000, which we know is equal to 1.5 million. And then add on that little 0.5 times 500,000. Now, we know 0.5 of that is actually 250,000. So what we're actually trying to do is add together 250,000 and then 1.5 million. So let's add that over on the side. Here is 1.5 million, and then we have 250,000. So, adding that together, we have 3 zeros at the end, a 0 in this position, a 5 here, remember that we're adding, then a 7, and then a 1. So what we have? We have 1.75 million, or our answer here, D.